This is Matthew from Blue Matador, the alert automation service. In another video, I laid out the 7 critical metrics you should monitor to know when to scale your RDS cluster. This video will focus on one of those metrics, Freeable memory. Freeable memory is a metric reported by the OS, not the database. The freeable memory on each RDS instance varies independently. This system memory has multiple states according to the system. It can be used by applications and system processes, unused, or temporarily used by caches, buffers, and shared memory. Freeable memory is the combination of unused and temporarily used memory. In essence, it's the memory that the system can grant without adverse effects. When an RDS instance runs out of freeable memory, the OS may do up to 3 things. First, it may swap some pages of memory to disk. This slows down everything on that RDS instance. Second, it may kill a process to recover some memory. Third, it may restart the entire system. A properly optimized RDS instance will start with a lot of freeable memory. Mine does that here. Over time, you'll see the freeable memory decrease. This is normal for all databases. After a few hours, days, or weeks, depending on your traffic and load, the RDS instance will be running with very low freeable memory. That memory is being used by the database to run queries, cache data, and buffer writes to the storage layer. We can see that in these other images here. Because of the way CloudWatch takes snapshots, the freeable memory doesn't have to reach 0 to be out of memory. Because of the way it aggregates those snapshots, it doesn't even have to be close. Even if CloudWatch was accurate, it's possible that a system process, backup job, or operating system update takes the remaining freeable memory and breaks your database. To play on the safe side, I like to run with more capacity than needed and set generous thresholds on my CloudWatch alarms for freeable memory. A good threshold for freeable memory is 5% of the total memory on the instance, but not less than 100 megabytes or more than 500 megabytes. I'll now create an alarm for freeable memory on my servers. Because I have 2 different instances, I'll need 2 different alarms. Let's create the first one on this t3.small. The t3.small has 2 gigabytes of memory. 5% of that is 100 megabytes. That's within our bounds. I'll send it to my already existing SNS notification. The metric will be freeable memory. Anytime it drops below 5% or that 100 megabytes, I want to get an alarm, especially if it happens 2 times over 2 minutes. And then I'll create the alarm. The second one will go on this t3.medium, which has 4 gigabytes of RAM. So I'll adjust appropriately. 5% of 4 gigabytes is 200 megabytes, which again is within that 100 to 500 megabyte limit. Again, for 2 evaluation periods of 1 minute apiece. When you do finally run out of memory, or if you think you're even close, adding more is easy. Select the instance you'd like to scale up and give more memory to. Click Modify. In this case, I'm going to make my t3.small a t3.medium by changing the DB instance class. I'll leave everything else the same and continue. You can decide to apply these changes during the next scheduled maintenance window or immediately, and then you're done. Remember to keep an eye on your freeable memory to stay on top of RDS scaling. Thanks for watching. If you'd rather not spend time on alarms, thresholds, and notifications, try Blue Matador, the alert automation service. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.